In this video, I am sharing my view of which tool serves better for peeling sugarcanes. A knife or a sugarcane peeler. All along, I have been using a regular knife for peeling sugarcanes. Today, I'm so excited. Unboxing my new sugarcane peeler, which I ordered online 3 days ago. Just hoping this peeler will ease my task of peeling sugarcanes. This is my trusted knife which I have been using to peel sugarcanes for the past 7 years. I generally peel my sugarcanes before passing them through the sugarcane juicer. I normally peel 5 long sugarcane stems for each batch of juicing. I feel peeling the sugarcanes before juicing is more hygienic than leaving the peels on. Hence, I ordered for this carbon steel heavy-duty sugarcane peeler knife and chopper. The good news is that this peeler cost me only 15 ringgit with shipping. I'm really not worried if it does not perform as expected. This peeler comes with a wooden non-slip handle which is quite comfortable to hold. The blades are made of carbon steel and fixed with 2 screws. As you see, there are 2 blades on this peeler. The inner blade is for peeling, while the outer blade is for chopping the sugarcanes. However, when the knives are not sharp, I can easily unscrew the blades and grind them. I like this feature as sharp blades ensure easy peeling. I will also be able to deal with large loads of sugarcane rapidly. Now, I'm going to test out this new weapon in the field. I will find out if using this new sugarcane peeler is any easier than using the knife, as I have done earlier. Using this sugarcane peeler, I feel I can do the job now more professionally. The outer hard skin of the sugarcane comes off easily as the blades are very sharp. Moreover, only the bare minimum of the juicy fibrous pulp is removed with the outer skin. This makes the sugarcane peeler a very efficient tool to peel sugarcanes. As you can see, not much of the juicy pulp is removed with the skin. My view now is that it's an appropriate tool for peeling sugarcanes. As the blades are sharp, it also takes much less effort to slide the peeler through the skin. However, this might not be the case when I'm using the regular knife. The peels are of uneven thickness when using the knife. Most of the time when using the knife, small chunks of the juicy fibrous pulp is also removed together with the outer peel. This often happens so no matter how hard we try to reduce the pulp from the skin when peeling with the knife. Since I have used both methods of peeling sugarcanes, I can now make some conclusions. For me, peeling sugarcanes with a knife or a peeler, both methods require the same amount of effort. However, using a peeler gets the job done more efficiently. That is, the discarded peels will have less juicy pulp on them. Using the knife, there is always the chance of cutting away more of the pulp together with the peel. The issue is not all sugarcane stems come straight and linear. The sugarcane peeler handles the linear sugarcanes much better. For curved sugarcane stems, I always prefer to use the knife. Please do write in the comment section below what you think about my new tool. By the way, friends, if you have not subscribed yet to my channel, please do subscribe for more content like this. That's all, my friends. Thanks for being with me to test this sugarcane peeler.